So if I'm walking on the ice and it breaks through, I want to get my arms up like this. Okay, so this is the cold shock response. It's hard to breathe, but I got my arms on the ice so my head didn't go under. So the biggest thing is now to calm and relax myself and catch my breath so I don't panic. Now, instead of trying to push on the ice like this, because I could break through even more, I'm instead gonna raise my legs to the back and I'm gonna start kicking underneath like I'm swimming. Now that I'm here, I could try to lift a leg out and push, and I want to slide. And now just army crawl if you can. If you have a good angle towards shore, you could also roll like this, and that's so you don't have pressure points to break through the ice. Keep army crawling as much as you can until you get to a spot where the ice is thick enough, and then you could start to gain. Crawl like this if you can. Now these are some ice picks that everyone should carry with you. So if you don't have these, that's how you do it. But if you do, one good thing about these, you could put it under your jacket and have it come out exactly at your wrists. I'm just going to show you how to use it right now. So again, I'm going to fall in. My biggest thing is to not let my head go under so I don't gasp water and so I don't panic. Okay, catch my breath, don't panic, and now I have my picks. You could dig these in and still kick your way. And now spread out your body weight. And now you could safely go to shore. If the ice keeps breaking as you keep going, just keep doing this. Spread your weight out. If you fall through again, kick those legs. I'm DJ from the Bare Essentials, and thanks for stopping by.